What's up, YouTube? What's up? You're welcome to this section. Though I promised you an analysis in currency pairs that we are sure that obeys the trend line. Now, if you follow this analysis, you have this 80% to 90% tendency to join the 5% that win money and stay away from the 95% to 90 thereabout that lose money in forex. Okay, I'm not telling you that we are the best. I'm not telling you that we've been trading for years, but try the analysis. If it works out for you, that's good. Okay, now first of all, what I'm going to do is to make this come out. Let me make the numbers come out. Okay, it's out. It is out, so that you can see where to enter and where to leave. Now, the remaining trend line that I've not really drawn here, that broke out, that gave me a whole lot of money, is this. This gave me a whole lot of money. When it got here, I bought and left my stop loss around here. Then the market went up, gave me the money, I took it. I was waiting for it to bounce on top of this trend line for me to buy again, and I bought here. When it went up here, I took my profit around here because I was seeing another resistance here, so I took my profits here. I actually thought that it was going up, but it later came back, bounced before going up to break a new high. So I didn't trade the market. I left it to bounce on top of those places. Although normally what I do is to, like I always say, allow the market to breathe and do whatsoever it wants to do. When I saw that this resistance here is becoming so strong, when I saw that this resistance here is becoming so strong, I started looking for a down bearish sign. So when it broke my trend line and retested, I wanted to enter here and put my stop loss here though, but I told myself that this market has not finished what it started. I left the market. Coming back, the market is already here. Now I told myself that this is a resistance, this is a resistance, this is a resistance to me. I took this as my shoulder, head and shoulder. That was when I drew this trend line. So I sold when the market got here. When it broke this support, I knew that it was going to go down. I left it for days. I took my profit here. This is where I took my profit. Okay, so I'm not telling you that I'm a perfect trader, but I will tell you here today that I'm a profitable trader according to this trend line and my team that I subscribed to. I have this big gurus team that I subscribe to. They don't give signal, but what actually they do is to guide you on what these manipulators do, the way they take out stop losses. So I feel that forex money is not meant for only one person. It's meant for everybody. Like, there is no amount of money you win in forex today that will make the money to finish. As a matter of fact, you can win as high as $3 million in a day and there will still be enough money there to trade. Okay, but I've not seen someone that will trade them $3 million a day in forex though. So can you just imagine this? Look at the way it is respecting this resistance, respected this resistance and this trend line. This trend line has been here, for a very long time. It's been here for a very long time. Okay, I was actually expecting this market to go down direct to this place, but look at what it did. It deceived so many people. I must tell you that this really deceived so many people. And after everything, it got to the down line, not directly here, but it got to the support zone here. Now everybody should know that this is a demand. The end of the line is always a demand zone that you buy. So I bought here, but look at the consolidation, all the consolidation before it went up and gave me little money. Now I am actually expecting a breakout. It actually broke out from the wedge around here, okay, and I'm expecting a bullish momentum now, although that I'm still watching the lower time frame for certain things to line up before going in. But from what I'm seeing now, I'm seeing a retest of a support line here. I am seeing a retest of this support line here. Let me see if I can off the rail. Okay, I can't. Okay, I am seeing a retest of this support line, and mind you, the market doesn't work straight up. I'm not seeing a bearish movement in EURCAD. I'm seeing a bullish movement. Mind you, the markets cannot just go straight up. They will tend to deceive you. They will tend to make you think that this support is not strong. But mind you, from the higher time frame, what you are seeing here is a double bottom. From the higher time frame, what you are seeing here is a double bottom, and what you are seeing here also is market on top of this huge support zone. This is what you are seeing here. You are seeing a market on top of this huge support zone. So from what I'm seeing, we have a big support zone that have formed a double bottom here. So I'm expecting this market, at least if it did not break this support zone and break this particular small support zone here, let me enlarge it, and break this particular small support zone here, just know that you should be looking for a bullish momentum. But with your risk to reward ratio, you should be able to wait for a confirmation in the 4-hour, a bullish confirmation in the 4-hour, a bullish confirmation in the 4-hour for you to buy, a bullish confirmation in the 4-hour around this area for you to buy this market around here. Okay, so me, I'll also buy and put my, so where do you put your stop loss? So I think your stop loss should be around here. Stop loss, let me change the color though. Okay, this is where you should be thinking of putting your stop loss. But if the market breaks it, exercise little patience for you to put your second stop loss here, your second stop loss here, your second stop loss should be here. Okay, let me try and make it that so big. Okay, sorry for that though. But just know that you put your second stop loss here. This is where you put your second stop loss this time around. Here, below this support zone, okay, your first stop loss should be here. Your first stop loss should be here. Your take profit should be here. This is where your take profit should be, around this area. This is your take profit. This is where you enter the market, and this is one of your first stop loss. But if it tends to break it, this should be your second stop loss, then entry around this side. Okay, but just know that we are expecting a bullish movement in EURCAD. Know that we are expecting a bullish movement in EURCAD. And actually, how many pips are we expecting in this market? Can you imagine? We're expecting 400 pips. For those of you that want to do it the long term, I'm actually expecting this market to get to this place. This is where I'm expecting this market to get to, at least. I'm actually expecting this market to get to 1.53360, 1.53360, or let's just make it 1.52385. This is where I'm expecting this market to get to. So I got a big cursor so that you get to see it. So if you are going to take this trade, take this trade, this is what you should be expecting, okay? Because I think that this will give you a whole lot of money. Not that I think, I know that it's going to give you a whole lot of money. Just if you are saving, just if you have this vertical line, just be putting it, be expecting it to hit here, so that the vertical line, although the way I do it, I put the vertical line for it to guide me. Okay, this is what we are expecting in this market, a bullish, but in the sense that it breaks this huge support, wait for a retest of the support for it to go down. But I don't think that will happen. There might be a long, big week's consolidation before getting to this place. Okay, but mind you, this is where we are expecting this market to get to. Okay, so thanks for this. For you to stay updated in all the currency pairs that we are going to analyze, because we are not yet done. We are still making researches in some currency pairs that we are going to analyze with the help of those gurus. Now, these gurus are good. I don't need to tell you, but be checking us out. You will see that they are really good. Okay? Mind you, this is not a signal. This is an analysis that helps you to learn where to put your trend lines. I bet you if you stay with us, just within few months, you will learn how to trade the market. You will learn how to trade the market. Okay? And you will make a whole lot of money from the market. I promise you that. Stick with us. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay? Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that is really what encourages us to put up more updates for you. And don't fail to like and tell us what you feel in the comment box. Then also put all the bell notifications so when we drop our latest analysis, You get to participate and make profit from it. You know, once one of the best gurus in the world told me, if you know Adam Cole, he's one of my mentors. This is what he told me. He said, you only need one trade. You only need one pair. Be it gold, be it currency pair, be it anything to make a whole lot of money. And you only need one that you are sure of. That's the reason why most people lose, because they tend to not to analyze that one particular sure market. They just go to other markets and be rushing it. There is nothing to rush. Okay, you've seen it, it's all here. Following the trend line makes you to make a whole lot of money. When it got here, it started moving down. It's forming a double bottom now, retesting. We are expecting it to get to at least 1.52070. Okay, follow us and be wise. Thanks so much. See you guys next time. Please don't forget to subscribe.